Hi guys, thank you so much for tuning in. This video is going to be a how-to on how to go from this, which is the basic kind of cluttered kind of wallpaper and home screen layout setup that you get when you first get your phone, to this. In my opinion, this looks just way more clean than the other, but let's get into it. So first things first, you're going to need to download these apps. Okay, so starting from the beginning, you see how this is just so cluttered and everything's everywhere. It's no real organization. So many apps just on so many different pages. I don't really like that. Maybe you guys don't. So what you're going to do first is open the widget app. So this app has many different options that you can choose from. One of the first things you're going to want to do when you're here is you want to go through the Explore tab and kind of figure out what you're looking for. I'm going to be, obviously showing you what my options are, what I like, but you can obviously, choose whatever you like the best. So the next thing you're going to want to do is go to transparent background, and this is big, guys. For some reason, you're going to have to screenshot whatever wallpaper that you're wanting to use. I can't really answer why, but that's just kind of what this app requires. So if you would go ahead and do that. So next, what you're going to want to do is go ahead and change your wallpaper. And you're going to want to use that same wallpaper that you just chose in the widget app. Okay, so now that that is changed, what you're going to want to do next is go ahead and remove all of the unnecessary applications that you're probably not going to use. And I'll just go ahead and fast forward through this process because it kind of takes a while. Sorry about that. Okay, so now you have everything clear. What you're going to want to do is go back to that widget app and go ahead and select whichever widget that you chose. Mine, of course, is the one that you saw just then. And as you can see, it's plenty of options to choose from. I'm just showing you that right now. Okay, so now that you've chose your widget, what you're going to want to do is click on it. And a pop-up is going to come up that says apply theme, and it's kind of like letting you edit it. So I always choose the color options that match with the wallpaper that I'm going for. It also has different font options that you can choose from as well. So if you go ahead and make those changes and customizations. So once you have that all figured out, what you're going to want to do is return to your home screen, long press, and then you're going to want to go all the way down. I'm assuming if yours is set up like mine, you're going to hit the widget, and then you're going to choose whatever size widget that you chose. Mine was large, so boom, there we have it. That's the first step. So it's already starting to look like what our final setup will look like. So next, what's missing is the icons. So for this, now you're going to use the Themify app. So go ahead and open that up. This app also has many different options that you can choose from as far as wallpapers, icons, all different things. So you're going to go to the catalog tab, then to icons. And you're going to want to keep scrolling all the way until you get to 3D icons. Then when you get here, if you're going for the same setup that I chose, you're going to want to choose this same icon option that I chose. So I've installed the icons already, so I'm not going to install them again. So you would just hit select all if you haven't. So next you're going to want to go to your settings if you have already downloaded the icons. Then you're going to want to go to General, then VPN and Device Management. And your theme icons that you just chose, it should be right here. I'm not sure why mine didn't show, but it's the third one. So if you don't already have them installed like me, it's probably going to pop up with something saying like allow profile or something like that along those lines. So go ahead and do that. So next, what you're going to want to do now, since you have the profile on your phone, you're next going to want to go ahead and install all of the icons that you're going to want to put on your home screen. And that may also take a little while, so I'm going to speed that up as well. All right, guys, so now that that is over, here is our finished final look and update. It looks like I didn't change the phone and message icons, so that is my bad on my end, but you can definitely still change that. So here we are, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you were able to follow, and please let me know if you'd like me to do more of these. Thank you so much again. Bye.